Hello children, welcome to you in bio class. Children, today you have to study endocrine gland. You have to know what are endocrine glands. The glands that control, communicate, coordinate and integrate various functions of all the body organs by the secretion of a chemical messengers called hormones. So, children, endocrine glands are those glands which are secreting hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers, and hormones control, communicate, coordinate, and integrate various functions of all the body organs. Secretion of hormones is carried to the different part of the body by blood. Children, you have studied there are many glands like salivary glands is in the mouth, pancreas, digestive glands, liver. Their secretion carried by a duct like salivary duct carry the secretion of salivary gland. Pancreatic duct carry the secretion of pancreas. But to carry the secretion of endocrine gland, there is no duct. Therefore, endocrine glands are also called ductless gland. So why they are called ductless glands? Because there is no gland to carry the secretion from the glands to the target organs or where it is used. So there is no duct. Due to this reason, all the endocrine glands are called ductless glands. Children, you have studied the various functions in our body. Functions of the organs of the body are controlled and coordinated by nervous system. So there are two systems in our body to control, coordinate the functions of all the body organs. One is nervous system and other is endocrine system. So endocrine glands and hormones together called endocrine system. You have to know what are the difference between nervous control and endocrine control in the body. See, nervous control is by the nerves and endocrine control is by the hormones. So you have to study what are the differences between endocrine control and nervous control. So I told endocrine control is also called hormonal control. So here you have to know the hormonal control is slow, but nervous control is rapid, immediate. Hormonal control transmitted through blood. So endocrine gland secretes hormones. That hormones is carried by blood. But in the nervous control, they are transmitted through nerve fibers. Hormonal control affect any organs of the body, but you will see nervous control will affect only that particular organs or glands of the body through which to which nerves carry the impulses from the central nervous system. Hormonal control affect the growth, but nervous control cannot affect the growth. Hormonal control can bring about specific chemical change and regulate metabolism, but nervous control cannot regulate metabolism. Hormonal control can be modified by learning from previous experience, but nervous control cannot be modified. It can be modified to some extent by learning. So, children, you studied about endocrine glands. So, its name is endocrine gland. Endo means inside, crine means separate. It means secrete internally. And I told the endocrine glands are called ductless glands because the secretion of these glands are poured directly into the blood. Therefore, endocrine glands are called ductless glands. Endocrine glands control and regulate by the secretion of hormones. So, children, you have to know about hormones. What are the properties of hormones and what is hormones?